So my name is 𝐂𝐞𝐬 Johnson, pursuing a diploma in Automotive Engineering. Right now, we are dealing with vehicle electrical systems. As you can see behind me, we have some examples. In this circuit, we have different components. For example, we have the battery, we have wires, we have relays, we have switches, we have horns, and we have bulbs. So maybe we can switch the battery on to see if the circuit is working. For example, those are parking lights. These are down here. We have the brake lights. When you press this switch here, brake lights go on. Then we have full lights. Yeah.